Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Falcon Finance token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Falcon Finance is building a universal collateral infrastructure that turns any liquid assets, including digital assets, currency, pegged tokens, and tokenized real-world assets into USD pegged on-chain liquidity. FF is the protocol native token and it serves as the gateway to governance, staking rewards, community incentives, and exclusive access to unique products and features. Falcon Finance token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.34 billion FF token. FF token will list on Binance Exchange. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.